Alessi was there, and she joins us now from the newsroom with more local reaction to this story. Elizabeth?
Kate, representatives from family planning advocates of New York State as well as Planned Parenthood gathered at the state capitol to express their outrage at the decision by the Supreme Court to uphold the ban on partial birth abortions. Now, they say medical decisions that affect a woman's health should be made by her physician, not by lawmakers or Supreme Court justices. They say the types of abortions that the federal government banned back in 2003 are performed when there is a serious risk to a woman's health.
And it's usually because something has gone very wrong, it does threaten the health of the woman, and if the physician determines that this procedure has the most likelihood of preserving that woman's health, then the physician should have the ability to exercise his or her best medical judgment.
Now, Right to Life advocates like Kathleen Gallagher of the New York State Catholic Conference say the ban, which prohibits abortions after 21 weeks of pregnancy, are not performed for medical reasons. She says she is pleased by the Supreme Court's decision, calling it a common sense victory for children and their mothers.
The medical community has said this particular procedure is never medically necessary to protect the health of a woman. And now the court has agreed and said we find that finding to be true. So we think that's a misnomer, and that this particular procedure is never necessary to protect the health of a woman. And anybody who studies the procedure, takes a look at how it's done, can only walk away from it saying this is child abuse and it shouldn't be allowed in our society.
Now, New York State is obviously bound by the federal law, but pro-choice advocates say that they worry that the Supreme Court's decision could cause lawmakers to add more restrictions to the state's abortion laws. In the newsroom, Elizabeth Alessi, Capitol News 9.